It's Mark with Overlanding 5280. We're here with Greg from Wired by Greg, and he's going to walk us through the vehicle. Let me go ahead and grab that from you.
Hey. All right, cool. So let me do a quick explanation how we did the lights on the perimeter. We did 3 S2s. We got 2 whites and an amber. It's a work scene pattern on both sides of the vehicle. There's an Anderson plug up there for tent power. For lighting control, we've used the SwitchPro SP9100. In the back, we have another set of S2s by Baja Designs and work scene. Amber, we also have rigid reds. There is a blue C panel back here for power. Also, if you need extra lighting at camp, we have some Baja Designs dome lights, reds, whites, and ambers.
Beautiful.
On the other side of the vehicle, we have more S2s, just like the driver's side. Inside here is the auxiliary power. You have an extra Odyssey battery, another blue C power port, another SwitchPro controller just like the front underneath the panel right here, a blue C fuse box, power source for the compressor, the RedArc DC to DC converter, power supply. This was previously installed, but we just modified it. The front of the vehicle, we added some Baja Designs Squadron Pros for ditch lights and the fog pocket conversion kit. There is a SwitchPro SP9100 on here, like I said. Give you a quick rundown on there. There's the controller.
Right there.
And there's not much to see, but there is an SDHQ mounting panel with the SP9100.
Nice work, buddy. Appreciate the build. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.